Hi, I'm Trisha from Outsource Accelerator. We are the world's leading outsourcing marketplace and advisory. This channel is dedicated to empowering you with the knowledge and tools that you need to excel in the modern business world. In this video, we explore digital marketing for startups and how it benefits them. Most startups have great products and services, but they struggle to get attention and online visibility. These days, getting the attention of your target audience often involves using digital marketing. So what exactly is digital marketing? And why is it a big deal? Digital marketing is any kind of advertising that is done on the internet. This covers social media posts, website blogs, and ad placements. If you're starting a new business and want to plan to get noticed, here are 8 important reasons why you should invest in your digital marketing efforts. For any business, especially for startups, getting noticed is a must. Your brand makes you unique, and it's important that your target audience are aware of it. Ignoring digital marketing means you're passing up a great chance. On platforms like social media and email, you can aim marketing at specific groups. This way, you'll reach those who are likely to care about your brand and your offerings. Digital marketing boosts your reputation. As more people know about your brand, digital marketing can also enhance your reputation and authority. Trust matters a lot for startups because it turns potential customers into actual ones. Various digital marketing methods can boost your reputation, like publishing information and useful content, improving your website's visibility on search engines, and using social media. Investing time and resources in valuable digital marketing efforts can make you a respected voice in your field. This knowledge will build trust and make potential customers see you as an authority in your field. With a strong plan for marketing your startup, you can keep making top-notch content like grabs attention and establishes your company as a reliable expert in your industry. Startups must do digital marketing because customers assume businesses are online. They prefer working with easily findable companies. Not using digital marketing means missing chances to connect and build strong relationships. Through digital channels, you can interact, answer questions, and share useful information and tips to your audience. Is your business tired of spending too much time and money on admin tasks? Then outsourcing is for you. With outsourcing, you can save up to 70% on staff costs, access to world-class professionals, and focus on growing your business. Get 3 free codes now. Using digital marketing gives you lots of data to make your marketing better. Tools can track website visits, social media, and sales. This helps you know your audience and what's effective. When you're just starting a business, it's important to watch your spending. Luckily, digital marketing is a super cost-effective way to promote your startup. It's actually one of the cheapest ways to advertise. If you compare digital marketing to old-school methods, it's much better for getting more value back. Unlike printing or TV advertising, digital marketing costs way less. Most social media sites don't charge anything to use. You can also begin with a small budget by putting Google ads that only charge when people click on them. Interactive content and videos are engaging. With digital marketing, you can make exciting content that grabs your audience's interest. Videos and cool graphics are trending and can explain your product in an interesting way. You can also use digital marketing for contests or giveaways to get people interested in your startup. Videos are often easy to share, so you can reach more people. With so many opportunities to promote yourself online, you can easily reach those interested in your offerings. For instance, you can use digital marketing for conversion-focused pages since they have a clear call to action in the form. These pages prompt actions like signing up or buying. Also, visuals showcase your product, motivating site visits and purchases. Digital marketing helps startups advertise from anywhere. As long as you're online, you can connect with your audience and promote your business. This is especially helpful if you can't afford a physical store. Further, digital marketing lets you monitor data so you can adjust your efforts accordingly. As businesses try to be seen online and connect with customers, more of them are realizing how helpful it is to get outside help with their digital marketing. Outsourcing your digital marketing strategy can provide specialized expertise, access to the latest tools and technologies, cost savings, and the ability to focus on core business activities. If you want to know more about building your offshore team for your business, head on to OutsourceAccelerator.com, where you can book a consultation and get 3 free codes. Thank you for watching until the end of this video. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell.